Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be working on my January monthly spread. Sorry, I'm not starting from a blank page. I lost some of my video. I wanted a rose gold, black, and pink spread, so I've already laid the black outline flowers. I've also laid down some of these rose gold like glitter across the top bars, and then I found these flowers, which aren't quite rose gold, but more of bronze, but it fit pretty well. First thing I laid down was a sticker that has the pink and rose gold theme for my mom's birthday. And now I'm putting down for my eyelash appointment. Next thing I'm going to do is I wanted to add a quote I found, and I really liked it. I had used it in my work planner. I'm using a 0.5 pen, and it takes me a little while to write this just because I'm trying to copy the same writing that is in the stickers and stuff I've already used on this spread, just so it's cohesive. But it was honestly truly hard for me to get this font down. That's why it takes me so long to write this. The quote, if you can't see very well, is tomorrow is the first blank page of a 365-page book. Write a good one. And here I'm just trying to fill in the rest of those boxes, give it a little more color, fill it in a little. And I didn't have my scissors, so I thought I'd be clever and use the X-Acto knife to cut in half, which was kind of silly of me. It was not straight at all. So after I place it down, I then have to cut it straight. And because I now have that color there, I wanted some in the sidebar. So I use these header ones. And when I flip it over, it matches perfectly. So it almost, seemed like it was supposed to go there. And I love that it brings out the rose gold color through the spread. And just trimmed it down a little. I was hoping to use that little piece somewhere, but I just really couldn't find a good fit for it. So I put it aside just in case I could use it later. Another quote that I wanted to include in this spread was one that I got with the Reading with Mandy's Advent calendar, but it didn't have any rose gold, so I just used one of these boxes behind it. The last thing I wanted to do was to add a divider between the last week and the 31st, just a little something to give it a little more pop. Then I decided I didn't like this color, it didn't quite match, so I went with the other ones that were a little bit darker. And this is just a glitter header. And then just use tweezers after I cut it, so it looks like it was meant to be there or was put there on purpose. And I'm using the whiteout here to white out all the holidays that were already pre-printed, because I found this sheet of rose gold holidays that matched perfectly. So I decided I wanted those instead of just the plain font black ones. The kit I was using had these little rose gold outlined hearts, and I just wanted to put them on special dates or just something to add attention to. Plus it was rose gold, so why not? And I also had more of the bronze little flowers, so I sprinkled them throughout the spread. No real rhyme or reason, just where I felt like they needed a little extra. There was even some bigger ones. I was debating on using more, but I ended up just using the one by January. I was really liking it at this point. I just needed a sidebar. I use this for miscellaneous things, either monthly reviews of what I need, budget. I'd put quotes there, gratitude lists. I just needed something for the sidebar. So I found a long black box that unfortunately had a little triangle on it. So I cut that off and then took forever to, get it centered right. And then I decided I was going to put a header on it. I debated between the sparkle ones and the ones that came with this kit. I started with the sparkle, which is what I am putting down now. I actually do change it though to the glitter ones later. I just don't show that. And honestly, that's it for this spread. If you liked it or want to see more, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.